If you ever come across a teacher sitting beneath a tree sharing knowledge with a group of students, please remember one thing about them. Don't underestimate the person just because they are sitting under a tree. They might be the greatest teacher in the world. Today, we will be featuring a story that touches on the transformative power of education and the dedication of one extraordinary teacher. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we share inspiring stories from around the world that showcase the power of human resilience, kindness, love, and most importantly, hope. He comes from a poor family with limited access to education himself. However, his passion for learning never faded, and he became determined to make a difference in the lives of underprivileged children in his village. He firmly believes that education is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty and empowering the next generation. His story serves as a reminder that one person's dedication and hard work can make a lasting impact on the world. With unwavering dedication, he taught himself various subjects and eventually started his own school under the tree. It was Socrates who once said, "The secret of the teacher is to awaken joy in creative expression and to make pupils feel that learning is a delightful adventure." He understands their needs and challenges and tailors his lessons accordingly. Zen masters often use silence as a tool to help their students achieve enlightenment and self-realization. By embracing silence, they are able to tap into their inner wisdom and creativity, which can lead to personal growth and self-discovery. Additionally, silence can also promote empathy and compassion. When we are quiet and still, we are better able to listen to the experiences and perspectives of others. This can help us develop a deeper sense of understanding and appreciation for those around us, which is essential for building meaningful connections and fostering a sense of community. They encourage their followers to contemplate the meaning of silence and to appreciate its power to convey deep truths and emotions. We may be surprised by the depth of their knowledge and the insights they can offer. By embracing intellectual humility and a love of learning, we can all strive to become better versions of ourselves and make positive contributions to the world around us. In the same way, Sizawath uses silence as a means to foster introspection and critical thinking among his students. This quote underscores the enduring power of one's enthusiasm and dedication in the face of financial hardship or challenging circumstances. It suggests that true passion is a driving force that can overcome obstacles and lead to success even in the most difficult situations. Remember that sometimes the most profound lessons are learned outside of classrooms, and that true success comes from a combination of hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in one's purpose. This quote emphasizes that one doesn't need extraordinary circumstances or resources to have a significant impact on the world. They serve as an inspiration to others, demonstrating that with enough determination and willpower, one can achieve their dreams regardless of their socioeconomic background. Even in the face of poverty or limited opportunities, a single individual with determination and passion can make a lasting difference. This quote highlights the fact that some of the most influential and knowledgeable individuals tend to live simple and unassuming lives rather than seeking fame or fortune. It encourages individuals to identify the problems in their communities and strive to address them through their actions and initiatives. It also highlights the importance of resourcefulness and creativity in finding solutions to complex issues. By utilizing available resources effectively and thinking outside the box, individuals can develop innovative solutions that can have a ripple effect on their communities and beyond. They prioritize the pursuit of knowledge and the desire to share their wisdom with others over material possessions or social status. He encourages them to observe the world around them and to reflect on their experiences and emotions without immediately jumping to conclusions. He believes that each student is unique and has the potential to succeed. He takes the time to identify their strengths and weaknesses and works with them to improve. Remember that true wisdom and enlightenment often come from the quietest places. His dedication and personalized approach have resulted in remarkable transformations in the lives of his students. They remain open-minded and curious throughout their lives, continuously seeking new knowledge and understanding. Their humility allows them to connect with others on a deeper level and to inspire and guide their students or followers without creating a sense of separation or hierarchy. They understand that everyone has the potential to learn and grow, and they strive to create an environment that fosters curiosity and a love of learning. Many who have graduated from his informal classes have gone on to pursue higher education and secure better job opportunities. And Mr. Sizawath embodies these words perfectly. He doesn't believe in the conventional methods of rote learning and memorizing facts. This quote highlights the paradoxical nature of silence and how it can convey a multitude of meanings and messages that often go beyond what words can express. Status, on the other hand, refers to one's social or hierarchical position, which can sometimes be deceptive and not necessarily indicative of a person's true character or worth. Instead, he focuses on making learning an enjoyable and interactive experience for his students. He uses various engaging techniques to make sure that every child understands the concepts thoroughly. His name is Sizawathau, a 49-year-old man who has dedicated his life to teaching. His school operates without any official recognition or government support. Undeterred by the challenges, he persevered in his mission to provide quality education to the children who attend his classes. Despite his significant contributions to education and his role as a respected teacher, he remains grounded and approachable. His status as a revered educator has not been a hindrance to his connection with his students and the community. In fact, it has allowed him to maintain a sense of authenticity and sincerity in his interactions. Sizawath's commitment to his students is truly remarkable. He doesn't receive a salary, but his passion for teaching drives him to continue. His dedication has inspired many young minds and has opened doors to opportunities that they might not have otherwise had. Sizawath lives in a small village in Cambodia where he wakes up every morning before sunrise. He would take a bamboo pole and start walking towards his school. But this isn't any ordinary school. It's a makeshift learning space made under the shade of a large tree. Despite the humble setting, this tree holds immense significance because it symbolizes hope and opportunity for the children in the community. Sizawath's journey to becoming a teacher is an extraordinary one. Over the years, his reputation as a teacher grew and people started calling him the teacher beneath the tree. Despite facing countless obstacles and personal struggles, Sizawath remains committed to his mission. Real education doesn't need a classroom. Sometimes all it needs is a passionate teacher and a curious student. One of the unique aspects of Sizawathi's teaching style is his ability to connect with his students on a personal level. Now let's talk about the quote, "Silence speaks more than status." In the context of Mr. Sizawath, his humility and simplicity are evident in the way he lives and teaches. This is similar to the philosophy of Zen Buddhism, which emphasizes the importance of embracing simplicity and living in the present moment. This approach to learning allows students to develop a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. So the next time you find yourself in the presence of someone like Mr. Sizawath, take a moment to appreciate the value of silence and the lessons it has to teach us. Another interesting point to consider is the quote, "The best teachers live humbly." These individuals often possess a deep sense of humility and they recognize that there is always something more to learn. When we encounter individuals who embody these qualities, it is important to approach them with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Now let's move on to another quote that resonates with the story of Mr. Sizawath, and that is, "You don't need much to make a difference." It's a call to action for anyone who feels compelled to make a positive impact, regardless of their background or resources. Finally, the last quote we'll discuss today is, "Passion can't be destroyed by poverty." People like Mr. Sizawath embody this sentiment through their unwavering commitment to their goals, despite the personal sacrifices and financial constraints they may face. We hope the story of Mr. Sizawath and the quotes we have discussed today have inspired you to pursue your passions and make a positive impact on the world around you.